Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Farwa Nadeem from Maryland High School. Today I will deliver you a lecture of Social Studies class 4th. So in our previous lecture we discussed our new chapter, that is people and work, and we learned everything about the people, that what are actually the people, how many people are in Pakistan. We are talking about our country, so we will talk about the Pakistan, that what is the population of Pakistan, how many people are living in Pakistan, and 207 million people are living in Pakistan. And we also learned the concept of population, that what is population. Population is actually the number of people that are living in any country, that is the population. And we also learned another concept, that is the census. What is census? I told you that the number of people in any country is the population, and counting the number of people in any country is called census. To count that how many people are living in that country, this is called census. And another thing, that is an overpopulated country. Overpopulated country means the country in which the sources are less than the people, means the people are more and the sources are less. That country is called an overpopulated country. And I told you the problems that are faced by an overpopulated country are the pollution, unemployment, traffic jam, inflation. These all are the effects of an overpopulated country, and Pakistan is also an overpopulated country. And now the question is, where are those people? What they do? 207 million people in Pakistan, what are they doing? And today's topic is work, that we will learn that what work they are doing. Every person like you and I, we all are working, we all are performing our duties. I am teaching in school and you are learning in the school, like you are also doing your work and I am also doing your work. And in this respect, everyone, every person, your father, your mother, everyone is doing a work. Like some parents are teaching in school, some mothers are housewives, so everyone is performing its duty in its own respect. So this is our topic, work. And Pakistan, in Pakistan there are many people that are living in the villages as compared to the cities. Like mostly people live in villages as compared to the cities. And now the question is, what is the main method of earning of the people that are living in the villages? How do they earn? The people that live in villages, how do they earn? The main method of earning of the villagers is actually the farming, means agriculture. They grow crops to get money, to earn money. And in cities there are a lot of jobs, there are a lot of professions in the cities, like you can be a doctor, you can be a pilot, an engineer, a mechanic, and so on. There are thousands of jobs in. And in Sindh, in province Sindh, 52% people are living in cities. 52% people are living in cities and 48% people are living in villages. Now the question is, what might be the reason for this? Like why 52% people are living in cities and 48% people are living in villages? This is the question, and you will answer me to this question, that what might be the reason of this, that 48% people are living in the villages and 52% people are living in cities. As I told you that in cities people are facilitated with all the facilities of life, so that can also be the reason of this, and you will answer me the reason of this question. And I told you that in any country, as I told you about an overpopulated country, the effect of an overpopulated country is unemployment also, means there people do not have any work to do in any country, and in any country there are thousands of people that have no any work to do, so that is called an unemployment. And in Pakistan there are thousands of people that do not have any work to do because Pakistan is also an overpopulated country. And for example, there are a lot of jobs for an educated person. what you know that what kind of jobs would be for an uneducated person? There are many people, you know, thousands of people in any country that are uneducated, that don't know how to write and how to read. So how can they get the jobs? So the people that are uneducated, they choose to perform jobs as a labor, as a servant, as a waiter, waitress. So these are the jobs for an uneducated person, and we should not disobey every some people earn a lot of money from their work and some people do not earn a lot of money from their work, because every job has its own value and every job pay about its own. So these are the different things, and we should, you know, respect every job. We should not insult others. For example, when we go outside and when we saw a waiter or waitress or any labor, we should not disobey. We should respect them because they are doing their work. If there are no sweepers outside, then what will we do? The question is. So we should respect them all, because every job has its own dignity and every person is doing a job in its own life to earn money. So this was our whole topic. We discussed everything about the work, the people in Pakistan, how many people are uneducated, how many people are educated, and what are the jobs that are provided to an educated person and to an uneducated person. And we also learned about the population of Sindh, that 52% people are living in cities and 48% people are living in the villages. So this was all your topic. I am going to repeat this out. As we are starting our next unit, people and work, we have discussed everything about the people. What are the people? What is population? Population means the number of people in any country, and census, what is census? Census means the number of people, counting the number of people in any country, that how much people are living in that country, that is the census. And then the concept of an overpopulated country, in which the country in which the sources are less and the people are more, that country is called an overpopulated country. And then we learn the problems that are faced by an overpopulated country, that are like inflation, unemployment, traffic jams. These all are the effects of an overpopulated country. And our today's topic is work, that what are 207 million people in Pakistan are doing. They all are doing their jobs. Everyone is doing their duty, doing their job in its own lives. And many people in Pakistan are living in villages as compared to the people that are living in the cities. Means many people are living in villages and less people are living in the cities. And in province Sindh, 52% people are living in cities and 48% people are living in the village. What might be the reason of this? You will answer me to this question. And next, in cities, the people are provided with all the facilities of the life. You can be a doctor, you can be a pilot, an engineer, policeman. So there are a lot of professions for you in the cities as compared to the villages, because villagers only earn money by farming. This is the profession that is chosen by the villagers. So this was your whole topic, and I also told you about the jobs that are chosen by the people, like uneducated people. They can be a servant, they can be a labor, waiter, waitress. These all are the jobs for an unemployed, uneducated person. And I told you that some people get a lot of money from their work and some people get less money from their work. But every job has its own value. Now your assignment is that you will answer me to the question that assignment. What might be the reason of 52% people in province Sindh are living in cities. You will just answer me about the 52% people that are living in the cities. I am not talking about the 48% people that are living in the villages. You will just answer me that what might be the reason of 52% people in provinces are living in cities. You will just define only cities, that why 52% people are living in cities. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.